Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI. I was looking for a little something to dress up this corner of my porch. It was looking a little boring, and I found these lovely little plant stands. Aren't they cute? Let me tell you all about them. I want to start off by telling you the thing that I love most about these plant stands, and that is their durability. I just have little pots on here, but you can put a much heavier plant on here and they're gonna hold up great. I also love that they're rust proof. They're painted this black color, which is just beautiful. I love how easy these were to put together. You simply just screw the legs on and you're ready to go. They are very easy to use. I also love that they have the little rubber stoppers on the bottom of each of the feet, which is nice because I just painted this porch and I don't have to worry about them chipping the paint. So whether you're putting them on a porch or a patio or wherever you're putting them, you can be confident that it's not going to hurt the surface that you're putting them in. These come in a pack of 5, which is nice, and they display your plants just in a lovely way. But I love that they're all different sizes, and I'm very excited to see what other kind of designs I come up with. They look cute just like this. This was the first thing that I tried, and I loved it, but I can't wait to see what other things I come up with. So I love these plant stands. They far exceeded my expectations. They're cute, they're durable. I love these little rubber things that aren't tearing up my porch. But that's just my point of view.